Subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest tips, strategies, and updates on crypto trading that will help you achieve your financial goals. Are you ready to take your crypto trading game to the next level and make 2025 your most profitable year yet? In this video, I'll be sharing 5 proven strategies to help you succeed in the dynamic and unpredictable cryptocurrency market. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, these tips are designed to enhance your skills, minimize risks, and maximize your returns. Let's dive in. The first strategy is to harness the power of AI-driven trading tools. Tools like CoinRule, CryptoHopper, and 3Commas are revolutionizing the way traders operate. These platforms use advanced algorithms to analyze market trends and execute trades on your behalf, allowing you to automate your trading process and take advantage of market opportunities even while you're away. For example, you can set parameters to automatically buy or sell based on specific market conditions, reducing the need for constant monitoring. Automation is a game changer for reducing human error and reacting quickly to price changes, which is critical in a market that never sleeps. Next, let's talk about crypto futures trading. This is a powerful way to profit from both rising and falling markets. By speculating on the price movements of cryptocurrencies, you can earn significant returns regardless of whether the market is bullish or bearish. However, futures trading comes with risks, especially when leveraging your trades. Leverage allows you to trade with more capital than you actually have, amplifying both profits and potential losses. For this reason, it's essential to have a solid understanding of the market and only trade with funds you can afford to lose. Start small, learn the ropes, and gradually scale up as your confidence grows. Now, let's move on to risk management, which is arguably the most important aspect of successful trading. The crypto market is highly volatile, and without proper risk management, even the most promising trades can lead to significant losses. Always use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses on any trade. Additionally, diversify your portfolio by investing in multiple assets rather than putting all your funds into a single cryptocurrency. Diversification helps to spread your risk and provides a buffer against the volatility of individual assets. Remember, it's better to grow your portfolio steadily than to chase quick profits and risk losing everything. Another crucial strategy is to identify promising altcoins before they gain mainstream attention. Altcoins, or alternative cryptocurrencies, often have the potential for exponential growth, especially if they offer innovative solutions or address key challenges in the blockchain space. To spot these opportunities, focus on projects with strong use cases, transparent and experienced teams, and active community engagement. Use platforms like CoinMarketCap, LunarCrush, and Twitter to monitor emerging trends, social metrics, and developer activity. Being an early investor in the right project can lead to massive gains, but always perform thorough research to avoid scams or poorly planned ventures. Finally, don't underestimate the impact of macroeconomic factors on the crypto market. Global trends such as inflation, interest rate changes, regulatory developments, and geopolitical events can significantly influence market sentiment and price movements. For example, announcements from central banks, changes in monetary policy, or government regulations on crypto can create sudden spikes or dips in the market. By staying informed about these broader economic factors, you can anticipate potential market shifts and position yourself accordingly. Tools like economic calendars and news aggregators can help you stay up to date and make more informed decisions. To sum it up, succeeding in crypto trading requires a mix of smart tools, strategic thinking, and continuous learning. Leverage AI-driven trading platforms to automate and optimize your trades. Explore crypto futures cautiously to profit from market volatility, and prioritize risk management to protect your investments. Stay proactive in identifying promising altcoins with real potential, and keep an eye on macroeconomic trends to stay ahead of the curve. If you found these strategies insightful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Comment below to share your favorite crypto trading strategies or ask any questions. We'd love to hear from you. Together, let's make 2025 the year you achieve your crypto trading goals and unlock the financial freedom you've been striving for.